students, welcome to Science Online class. Today we are going to learn Unit 4 Science in Everyday Life. Students, science has helped to find solution to many of our problems. It has shaped our daily life also. The world we are living is not the same as before. It is changing every day, in fact every hour. We see lot of changes around us. Some of them are reversible and some of them are irreversible. Irreversible changes like burning of waste pollute our home and school environment. We need to know about waste management and proper disposal of waste. Let us study about them in this lesson. Students, name some scientists. Very good. Do you know what scientists do? A scientist is someone who observes and wonders, listens to the ideas of others, asks questions, conducts experiments, shares their ideas and discoveries, explores the world around them. Scientists can observe objects, use the scientific method, use special tools, communicate their ideas with others. Some of the science tools are beaker, thermometer, clock, magnet, balance, etc. Scientists from Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has a long history of science since ancient times. Scientific concepts can be seen in ancient Tamil literatures. Tamil Nadu has produced many scientists who have contributed to the world of science. The following table gives the names of some of the scientists from Tamil Nadu and their contributions. See students, he is Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. M.S. Swaminathan. His department is Genetics. 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 Genetics is a branch of biology concerned with the study of genes, genetic variation and heredity in organisms. His contribution is Green Revolution. G-R-E-E-N. Green Revolution. R-E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N. Revolution. The Green Revolution in India refers to a period when Indian agriculture was converted into an industrial system due to the adoption of modern methods and technology, such as the use of high-yielding variety seeds, tractors, irrigation facilities, pesticides and fertilizers. He is Srinivasa Ramanujan. His department is Mathematics. What is mathematics, students? The abstract science of number, quantity and space. He contributed in composite numbers. What are composite numbers? C-O-M-P-O-S-I-T-E. Composite numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers. His contribution is composite numbers. What is a composite number, students? A composite number is a positive integer that can be formed by multiplying two smaller positive integers. Equivalently, it is a positive integer that has at least one divisor other than 1 and itself. For example, the integer 14 is a composite number because it is the product of the two smaller integers 2 and 7. What is an integer? An integer is a whole number that can be positive, negative or 0. All natural numbers with 0 and negative of counting numbers are called integers. He is Venkataraman Radhakrishnan. His department is biology. B-I-O-L-O-G-Y, biology. Biology is the study of living organisms. His contribution is in structure of ribosome. R-I-B-O-S-O-M-E, ribosome. Ribosome are minute particle consisting of RNA and associated proteins found in large numbers in the cytoplasm of living cells. They bind messenger RNA and transfer RNA to synthesize polypeptides and proteins. An average mammalian cell has 10 million ribosomes. He is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. His department is aeronautical engineering. His contribution is missile development. M-I-S-S-I-L-E, missile development. Missile in Tamil, it is known as Evuganai. What is a missile means? An object which is forcibly propelled at a target either by hand or from a mechanical weapon. He is Sir C.V. Raman. His department is physics. P-H-Y-S-I-C-S, physics. Physics is a branch of science concerned with the nature and properties of matter and energy. His contribution is in scattering of light. Scattering of light is the phenomenon in which light rays get deviated from its straight path on striking an obstacle like dust or gas molecules, water vapors, etc. The colors we see in the sky are due to scattering of light. Sir C.V. Raman.
Chandrasekhara Venkataraman was born at Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu on 7th November 1888. In 1904, he completed his Bachelor of Arts BA degree at Presidency College, Chennai. He stood first and won gold medal in physics. In 1907, he got his Master of Science MSc degree from University of Madras. Sir C.V. Raman won the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930 for his work in scattering of light. In 1954, he was awarded the Bharat Ratna. Blue appearance of sky. One day in the summer of 1921, Sir C.V. Raman was on the deck of a ship sailing in the Mediterranean Sea. He was observing the blue color of the sky and started reasoning it. He concluded that sunlight is scattered by the gases and particles present in the air. The white light we see is composed of different colors such as violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red VGR. Among these colors, blue is scattered more. Because of this reason, sky appears blue most of the time. During sunrise and sunset, rays have to travel long distance. As they travel, all other colors except red are scattered. So, sky appears red at sunrise and sunset. Students, do you know National Science Day is celebrated on 28th of February. In order to commemorate the invention of the Raman effect by Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman on the same day in the year 1928.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Aul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam was an aeronautical scientist. He was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He got his Bachelor of Science BSc degree from St. Joseph College, Tiruchirappalli in 1954. In 1960, he got his degree in Aeronautical Engineering from Madras Institute of Technology. He was involved in India's missile development program and thus came to be known as Missile Man of India. He also served as the President of India from 2002 to 2007 and widely referred to as the People's President. He was awarded Padma Bhushan in 1981, Padma Vibhushan in 1990 and Bharat Ratna in 1997. He has written many books like Wings of Fire, India 2020 and Ignited Minds. Famous quotes of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. Dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep.
Next we are going to learn about changes around us. CHANGES, changes around. AROUND, around us. US. What is a change, students? Change means the act which brings differences in the form of the material or thing. The differences takes place by themselves or by living organisms. We observe a lot of things changing around us. By changing, we mean change in terms of size, color, shape, position or state of a substance. Changes can be in any form. Change is the transition of a substance from one form to another. We see many changes around us. We see changes like day and night, summer and winter and so on. We also see changes in objects, growth of a tree, ripening of fruits, falling of leaves, or some of the changes taking place around us. You can observe changes in you also. Your height and weight increase, hair and nail grow, and you have grown up as a whole compared to last year. These changes can be classified as reversible and irreversible changes. Reversible changes. REVERSIBLE reversible changes. CHANGES changes. A reversible change might change the color, shape or state of the substance, but it is easy to get back into the original substance. Melting of ice is an example of reversible change. See students, when you are keeping water in the freezer means you will get ice. This ice when you are heating means we will get water. So both can be converted from one form into another form. Irreversible changes. IRREVERSIBLE irreversible changes. CHANGES changes. The change that cannot be reversed is called irreversible change. The new material produced after change is completely different from the original material.
Irreversible changes are also known as permanent changes. Process like heating, burning, mixing and powdering cause permanent changes.
Burning of paper is an irreversible change. See students, this is ash. To have a better understanding, let us learn reversible changes and irreversible changes through examples. See the shape of the balloon. Blow air into the balloon. Release the air from the balloon. See students, the balloon get back its original shape. This is an example for reversible change. See the shape of the balloon. Blow air into the balloon. Blow air into the balloon and prick it with the tip of a pin. See students, what happens?
This is an irreversible change.
Pour vinegar into the beaker. And add some aerated drinks. See what happens students.
This is an irreversible change.
Frying of egg is an example of irreversible change. Rusting is an example of irreversible change. See student, this is safety pin, this is rusted safety pin. So rusting is an example of irreversible change. Take water in a beaker and add some common salt. Mix it well with the help of the glass rod. Now we get salt solution. How can we get back the salt? We can get back the salt by evaporation. Evaporation is the process of converting water into vapor. This is an example of reversible change. Take a paper, fold the paper. Now again you can get back the paper. Folding paper is an example of reversible change. Conversion of milk into curd is an example of irreversible change. When we are adding some amount of curd to the milk, after few hours, milk will be converted to curd. Again, we can't able to get back the milk from the curd. This change is irreversible change. Burning of candle is a irreversible change. The size of the candle reduces with time. Burning of matchstick is a irreversible change. Take a rubber band. Stretch a rubber band to its maximum. Release the rubber band. Now the rubber band come to its original position. Stretching of rubber band is an example of reversible change. Opening of door is an example of reversible change. See students, this is bud. This is flower. Blooming of bud into flower is an example of irreversible change.
Batter to idli is irreversible change. Grain to flour is irreversible change. Cow dung to biogas is irreversible change. Breaking of glass is irreversible change. Differences between reversible and irreversible changes are listed below. Reversible change, a substance can turn to its original state. In irreversible change, a substance cannot change to its original state. In reversible change, the chemical properties of the substance do not change. In irreversible change, the chemical properties of the substance will change. Most of the physical changes are reversible. All chemical changes are irreversible. Today we learn about scientists from Tamil Nadu, blue appearance of sky, changes around us, reversible changes, irreversible changes.
Thank you, students. students.